Girl, I know you said you wanted to post on YouTube in 2025, but no one's clicking on your videos. And that's because your thumbnails suck. So here's how to make a thumbnail that actually stands out.
ስለ ዩቲዩብ ተምነል በአጠቃላይ ስለ ዩቲዩብ ቪዲዮ መስራት ሲነሳ አብሮት የተምነል ጉዳይ ይነሳልና ተምነልን ዩቲዩብ ላይ ወይም ለምሰሩት ቪዲዮ ቀለል አድርጋችሁ እንዴት እንደምትሰሩ አሁን በማሳያችሁ ከዚህ ቀጥሎ ባለው ቪዲዮ ለማየት ትችላላችሁና ቪዲዮውን እስከመጨረሻው ማየታችሁ እንዳለሰ ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ አድርጉ፣ ከወደዳችሁ ሼር አድርጉ፣ ያስፈልጋል ለምትሉ ሰው ማለት ነው። ኮሜንት ደግሞ እንዳይረሳ። እስቲ ተመቻችሁ አልተመቻችሁ የሚለውን በዛው ማወቅ ፈልጋለሁና ተጠቀሙበትና እስቲ ውጤቱን ታሳዩኛላችሁ። ወደ ቪዲዮ እንሂድ።
Start by taking some pictures of yourself based on what your YouTube video is about. Mine was about using a flip phone, so I took some pictures with a flip phone. Then head on over to Canva and look up YouTube thumbnail and start a new project. Send the pictures that you like over to your computer and drop them into the Canva uploads. I also took a photo of my background so I could use that and then blur it so there's a good background for the thumbnail. Figure out which picture you like the best and then use that one and use the remove background filter. That way you can move the image around without messing up the background. This is where it gets fun. You can go in and add in some graphics because it makes the thumbnail pop so much more, and it gives you the opportunity to show your viewers more about what the video is going to be about. Then add in your main text. This title needs to be attention grabbing, eye catching, all of the things. Make it bold, change the wording around so that it's the most attention grabbing it can be. Then I also like to add a little subtext so that they have more of an idea of what the video is about, and I change around the font a little bit so it's not all the same. And now you should have a main text, a graphic, an image, and a subtext. Just press share, download it, and you're done. This is what mine ended up looking like, and you guys will see this YouTube video in a few days.